TikToks is going to be up. I don't know which one this is. Give me 1 second. All right. Yeah, okay. So American Dream Trading is up, but it looks like Coach C or ADT Coach will be down. Nothing I can do about it because I don't have time. I tried everything I could. I got to dink with it later now. All right, hold on. Almost there. Looking real good. Yep, that's up. Okay, yeah, great. Thanks. Yep, okay, sure. This is up. Yep, great. All right, awesome there. Okay, carry the 2. That looks good. Yep, okay, great. Almost done. Okay. All right, hopefully we're up on something.
Yeah, TikTok is up, Coach.
Okay. Yeah, just the other TikTok's going to be down. The ADT Coach, my main, that one will be down. Nothing I can do about it right now. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up AMD. AM to the upside is going to be 178.70. To the downside is going to be 177.20. Amazon to the upside, 178.75, 177.50. Googlealicious, right there. Let's just go 151 on Google to the upside. Hold on. And 149 to the downside. Let's see, Mara. Mara, 2161 up, 21 down. Meta. Think we can get in this one a little early. 509.50 up, 508 down. Microsoft, 430 up, 428.30 down. Let's see. Netflix all over the place this morning, huh? Nice. I think, let's see, 625 up, 623 down. NVIDIA.
Netflix is already at 625.71.
Oh, was it? Okay, I'll look at it in a minute. NVIDIA 915. Or 910.50. Let me double check. Netflix. I had 625 and 623, right?
Yeah, but it's at 625.71.
It's showing 623.90 on my screen. Is this off?
Yes.
That's what I showed too.
What is it? Am I off or is it off?
You're off. It's 625.71.
So my chart's not even updating.
What the hell?
You guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
You see what it says?
I'm showing 623.90 also.
622.71 is what I'm seeing.
I'm showing 625.71 for some reason.
Yeah, 625.
What in the what?
622.71 on mine.
And I got
622.82.
and I got 623.90. What the fuck?
623.90 over here.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
I'm 624.30.
It's not even updating on my screen at all.
622.71.
Yeah, I'm looking at tick 624.39.
Yep.
Wasn't there an update with Weeble?
There was.
That's
I did it. Okay. It says it's 624.39 on mine now.
That's what I got.
That's what I got, coach. Just marked 624.97.
Yep. Okay.
Trading views.
All right, let's do this to be safe. Just move it to 626 and then we got enough range. Okay, good. Cuz
Thank you.
Yeah, that's just I don't know why I'm not sure. I told you I don't know if my system's still jacked. I don't know. Let's just plow through this bad boy. We'll get there. You can do it. Okay, the cues. And let me know if another one is jacked up too, because I can only go by what I can see. The cues, we're gonna go 445.85 to the upside. Or 440, let's just make it even no, it is there. 445.20 to the downside. Soxel. Soxel 46.30 up. 45.50 down. Spy. I spy with my little eye. 522.38 up. $521.83 down. Last one, Tesla. $168.32 up. $165.50 down. Apologize again, everybody, for being late. You know that's not my jam. I don't believe in being late. I think if you're on time, you're late. Nothing I could do. Whole total system crash this morning. Luckily, I was able to get us at least most of the way up from 30 years of IT. Still took me way longer than anticipated. By the time I uninstalled a bunch of drivers, reinstalled, I had to do everything. The audio was shot. I think it did every time it likes to do an Intel board, it blows it up because it'll take out the audio and anything on board. It nuked everything. I had no audio, lost the camera signal, like everything toast because it took out all the HDMIs. Like it was awesome. Yay!
Coach, streaming is a job on itself, man.
It is. It really is. I'm like, holy
Party
crap.
at coaches.
Yeah, it's nuts. But anyways, we're at least we're only up on American Dream Trading for our TikTok right now. So viewership will be down, which really sucks on a Friday, by the way. That's payday. That's when I try to really drum up more business. But it is what it is. Nothing I can do about that. So again, thank you to everybody for being here. I want to thank my moderators. Bruno, Carter Lee, Don, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Johan, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Skywalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you guys so much. Today will be Lee's last day for moderating. But it's okay. We understand. Love you, buddy. Appreciate you. Love your face.
Who was a good player?
Absolutely. But thank you again.
Lee.
Thank you, Lee. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok. But again, thank you to everybody. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We appreciate and honor you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Yeah, baby, let's roll.
There it is. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're going to be a little off this morning, off our game just a bit. We'll try to get this thing back on its rails. I have a big, huge sale going on right now. If you guys use the code Easter500, you can take $500 off of a VIP or a VIP Gold membership. I also put out there on sale today VIP lifetime memberships for $4,500. So head on over there. The coupon code was supposed to work for that too, but it's not working. So I had to circumvent the system to make sure you guys could get the sale. So I just lowered the price. So it's $4,500 today if you guys go over and want to scoop up one of those VIP lifetimes. Otherwise, again, use the code Easter500. It'll take $500 off your first year of a VIP or VIP Gold or a VIP complete package, which is the Gold and the VIP. For everybody else, if you head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com, you can sign up for a regular monthly membership starting at $200. With that, you will gain access to Zoom, where we typically will have between 500 and 600 people you'll be involved with every single day right here. You'll get access to Zoom at 8:45. You'll get training from me and moderators from market open to market close every single day. You guys will also get access to the videos on demand, the hot stock picks, and the pre-market setup, and of course the IPO center. If you guys want to, though, step it on up. Get that VIP package again on sale. You guys can get the VIP package for $2,000 right now. With that, you'll get everything I just mentioned. Plus, you'll get masterclass training with me every single day at 8:15. Masterclass videos, workshop classes. Hold on, let me pull up my sheet. We got so many things now. We just keep adding and adding and adding, trying to give you guys the most products and services on the planet, as always. Let's see. You'll get the trading view indicators. You guys will also get the trading view indicators, which, as you guys can see, we use that every single day. You can also add on a VIP Gold if you have a VIP Gold VIP membership. You will get right now only a one-on-one for free with a moderator. That's a $500 value. All the mastermind classes will be absolutely free. We're getting ready to put on another one here June 5th, How to Grow a Small Account Part 2. You're going to get 1 hour of tech support if you need that, where we can remote in and help you get set up and get you started. You're also going to get weekend training. We've never done that before, so VIP Gold weekend training. You guys will also get VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Priority Help Desk support, and you'll get our news service, so our brand new news service. Don't worry, we will be getting that. Hold on, we're getting pop-ups from Zoom. And any breakout rooms. So if we do any special breakout rooms with myself or another moderator, we will be able to put that out there as well. So we're always trying to improve our products and services. We will always add to our products and services. I know we have a lot to choose from, but guess what? I try to do these all a la carte, so it makes sense for you. It makes sense for us. You guys can kind of pick and choose what you want, what works for you, what doesn't. We just like the VIP Gold. Tons of people are like, Coach, I work every day, all day. What can I do? So we added the Gold service with weekend training. All the new mastermind classes. By the way, the mastermind classes, if you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, you can buy those as a standalone. You do not have to be a member. So just go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You can get signed up. The first one, How to Grow a Small Account, was already done. It's almost 2 hours, but these are 90-minute classes, full Q&A. It's all recorded and edited and ready to go. You guys can go purchase that and then sign up. I highly recommend you watch 1 to move into 2, but you don't have to. But the Mastermind How to Grow a Small Account Part 2 is coming up tomorrow, and I'll show exactly how to do that and what to do. And a lot of those strategies I used yesterday, as you saw, to grow my small account 20% yesterday alone, using those exact same tactics, strategies that I teach inside of those mastermind classes. So make sure you guys get over there. Josh, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, good morning, Coach. So I was gonna do that masterclass drawing giveaway,
Yes.
but I figured since half your streams are down, you still want to do it today or wait till more people can see it?
Yeah, let's do it. How about you hit me up? We'll do it on Monday.
Monday? Okay,
Yeah, because I
got it.
should be able to, if the system's still jacked, which it shouldn't be, because I'm going to work on it this weekend, then we'll push it a little bit. But yeah, we'll see. Today might be bad. We're running late. Systems are down. Yeah, it's just everything's kind of hoked up today. Appreciate you though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
wondering how you want to do that drawing because last time was an absolute shit show.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll make it super easy. It's only when we try to get too much out there, like pick a number and then 8 million people.
That
And
was-
we will never do any of that again. It's too complicated. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, man. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you.
Yeah, anytime.
If you guys have any issues, of course, ever, please let us know. We've got a full help desk service over here. We now have 18 moderators standing by to assist you. So if you need help, just open up a help desk ticket and we'll get you going. Other than that, we are ready to rock and roll. We've already done our pre-market setup. We've already posted our hot stock picks. People are already making money in our VIP. Has anybody made any money yet this morning? Go ahead and open your mics.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Paper.
4 people. Is that it?
Yes, Coach.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. There we go. Now we're rolling. Now we're cooking.
I did, Coach.
Yes, yes, yes. Now we're making some money.
Coach, I was down 1,400. I'm down 900 now.
Son of a.
Yes, that's how I feel.
Damn it. Down $900.
Yep,
Hmm.
down 900.
How much did you make yesterday, though, Nate?
121,000.
121 what? There you go. Remember, people watching are like, what are they talking about? So he's down 900 today, but yesterday he made $121,000. I think you'd be all right, Nate. Good job.
Still sucks. It still sucks.
It does. It still stings, right? It doesn't matter if it's $10
Yes.
or not. Yeah, a loss is a loss. I hear you.
Yeah. I figure a lot.
Yeah, it's terrible. I don't know how you'll get through the day, but you just have to survive today, my friend. You have to survive, okay?
Yes. All right.
I
I'm gonna
will
do what I
survive.
do. OTLK is running.
Thank you. We are now 1 minute and a half out. Harlow, go.
Yeah, just real quick, 2 things. My grandson just came into port from being on the Red Sea and extended 8 times.
Oh, wow.
So I know, when you say that, there's kind of a comp there. And just for all you naysayers, I just got me a Weeble account.
Oh, you did? You
All
got
right.
a Weeble account? Woo.
Yeah, I was shamed into it in the morning with the morning people.
He said I was shamed into it.
So now I can understand what you're saying.
Oh, good.
Maybe that's been my problem.
Yeah. Well, I think it'll help quite a bit. What were you using before? Was it E-Trade or something?
Street Smart Edge, Schwab.
Oh, God. Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome to modern times. I think you'll like it, Harlow.
Well, so now there's no excuse.
Yeah. Just
Welcome to the
remember,
new millennium.
just remember though, you got to get all your mechanics and everything down. Okay, listen, we got 30 seconds. Don't forget, everybody, you can use code today, Easter 500. You can take $500 off one of those major products and services. That's VIP, VIP Gold, and VIP Gold Complete. Otherwise, you guys, lifetime memberships right now, if you've ever been eyeballing those lifetime memberships, $4,500 right now. Easter, huge sales going on. So make sure you guys take advantage of it. We got 5 seconds. By the way, I have some cleaning people here too of all days, right? With all this crap going on. So if you hear stuff, I apologize in advance. Everybody, let's kick ass on this Friday. Love your faces. Let's go ahead and rock and roll. OTOK starting to run here. Hot stock pick OTLK starting to get some movement, breaking off this double top at 1123. See if this can stay up here. Watching the whole market today. Yesterday, of course, big Apple news, big lawsuit. DOJ, 16 states suing them, so they got hammered.
Large green candle, NVFY.
Thank you. Hot stock pick NVFY, green candle. Thank you.
Sound is going up nicely as well. SOUN.
Thank you. SOUN. NVFY, rocket ship.
OTLK holds it.
Oh, to the downside. Thank you. NVFY. Making a nice little pop. Looks like we've got a wall around $4 on NVFY. I'm going to start a small sample entry here. 2,000 shares. Looking to add 2,000 shares above 4 on NVFY. We'll see what it wants to do. Apple to the green. Go ahead, Soundhound. SOUN.
I was just going to say Sound still blasted in the north.
Thank you. SOUN to the upside. Still
Like
rocking and
double
rolling.
top.
Thank you.
Microsoft made a yellow day.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, SOUN running nicely here. NVFY is holding up nicely. NVFY holding up nicely. I'm adding in here now. 2,000 shares. There's the pop. Nice. See if that can stay up there. Selling 2,000 shares now. Nice, nice. I think that's a $500 profit. Yep. There's $500 on NVFY for the first trade of the morning. Very nice, very nice. Like it. I like it like I like it. Love it when a plan comes together. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do. Don't forget, get that how to grow a small account. Teach you exactly how to do what I just did. Flipping my screen just so you guys can see the trade, just so you know. There it is. 2,000 shares, added 2,000 more, and sold. Oh, and the heavens opened. Yeah, they did. Very nice. SPY pulling back here. It touched our pre-market setup at 522.38. Now pulling all the way down to our pre-market low of 521.80.
NVIDIA in your high is skyrocketing.
Oh, thank you. Yep, NVIDIA is strong. SPY's crashing completely out over there.
Yeah, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft are dumping, that's why.
Thank you.
So is Apple.
Thank you. Remember, if you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. I don't want anybody getting your faces ripped off. Here goes SPY. I'm just touching down here on this pre-market to the downside. That breaks that. I'm going to be looking at scalping some SPY puts down there if it stays below that 521.80. Watching to see if it's going to bounce here on our pre-market setup level. If not, I'm going to drop the hammer right on its soul. Waiting, waiting, waiting. It is now bouncing slightly off of our 521.80 pre-market setup. By the way, if you're a paid member, you would have known exactly where it was going to do that. Yeah, you did. NVIDIA continuing to climb. Looking nice. Apple continuing to crash. Told you this could have a continuation today from yesterday's madness on Apple. Everybody, may we had another $1 million day yesterday, didn't we, ladies and gentlemen? That was glorious. NVIDIA popping off. Yeah, that was nice. NVIDIA popping off. That was a nice account changer day on bad news.
Thanks for that, Coach.
Absolutely. Great job, everybody. NVIDIA climbing here. Actually going to jump in NVIDIA scalp here. See if we can get some movement.
TSM new high also.
Thank you. What was the ticker?
TSM, I think it's on a second green as well.
Okay, thank you. Waiting on NVIDIA here at 518.23. I see L2's not till 918. So 918 is a wall over here on NVIDIA. See if we can get a little pop. If we can get a pop on that. Yep, there it goes. I'll take it. Let's see. How much did I get? Looks like I only got 400 on it, but I'm up $729.27 on 2 trades, 2% on this total account off of a reset yesterday at 27, now holding strong at 34 in 2 days.
NVIDIA on its fourth candle to the upside, Coach.
Yes, it is. I just rode that donkey. It's now on its 4th 2-minute EWO to the upside. That is NVIDIA, 4th 2-minute EWO to the upside. Hopefully you are all making money on that. Very nice. Looking good. SPY had a bounce off that 521.80 pre-market setup, exactly where we knew it was going to go. It's crazy. Pulling up my trading view indicators. See what's happening over here.
The 1 minute candle dip where it goes back to 50% on NVFY. Thank you.
Oh, nice. You trade. Oh, you're a genius. Now you're a genius. Nice job. You guys hear that? Huh? Did you guys hear that sweet sound? You pulled off one of my old school tricks right there. The old 96er, the old 1 minute candle rule. Pulled back for no reason off a big, long 1 minute candle. Bam! Took half of it on the way back up. That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Congratulations to you. Thank you for listening. D-Walk to the upside.
Appreciate your 96er reference. Comedy gold, great outdoors.
Thank you. Thank you. You know what? We're going to have to add that. There's our homework. The great outdoors is our homework, ladies and gentlemen. That's
Google looking beautiful to the upside, Coach.
Thank you.
Coach, don't forget the grizzle.
Yes. But there's nothing left but fat and grizzle. Mm-hmm.
Hop on you go.
D-Walk climbing up nicely here. That's right. Hey, you think if we throw a dessert down them, we get some shirts for the kids?
I don't remember that. I don't remember saying that.
Yep.
Just sweating.
Yeah, sweating.
Now I'm going to watch and look for that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, does he say, see if we could throw in some shirts and hats for the kids or something? At the
That was the peak of special effects, that butt on the bear when they shot
Oh,
him.
hell yeah.
This pasted on thing.
Absolutely. All right, let's get focused here. Love your faces. Nobody beat me up. Oh, what do we got here? We got us a pot stock runner, CGC. That's Canopy Growth, 10%. CGC. Canopy Growth moving right here. Looking at entering. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Wall 512. Small. Oh, yeah. Daddy like. Daddy like
Everybody's following it.
Thank you. Tilray. So all pot stocks must be up right now, I will assume.
That's correct.
Thank you. There we go. Get a nice little pop over on CGC. There we go. Looking good. Looking good. It's not making too big of a move. I'm just going to take my money right there. And that's a $20 profit. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok. Oh yeah, 524. Oh yeah, look at CGC. You got nice move to 524, everybody. Giant wall at 524. SPY starting to pop off.
NVIDIA in your high day. It's going, still going, coach.
Thank you. NVIDIA still climbing. I like you like. Don't forget, next Friday, Good Friday, the market will be closed. Just a heads up. CGC still making that move up to 524. 524, I'm showing, is where it's going to start to have a struggle bus time.
Apple new low day, still going down.
Thank you. Continuation from yesterday on Apple, as predicted.
TSM is still cranking to the upside, coach.
Thank you. Thank you. Good call.
New high.
Appreciate that. Was it GSM?
TSM.
Thank you.
Taiwan Semiconductors.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's nice. TSM looking very nice. Very nice. SPY pulling back again. Up here on this 522.38 on our pre-market levels. Cannot break it.
Coach, TSM is the sole supplier for NVIDIA's new architecture.
Ah, thank you. Good call out. That makes sense.
Yeah, it's a proprietary method that only TSM can do.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's very nice. Good information. Good to good. Yeah, something's going on with my internet. I don't know what's happening.
Cues are breaking down.
Apple is still going now, and
Yep.
it's going hard.
Is that beautiful or what? Anybody still in those Apple puts?
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Thank you. 2-minute EWO on that bad boy, right?
Coach, I'm in there.
Nice.
AMD to the downside.
Thank you.
Doing expiration.
Keep it up, everybody. Good job. TSM continuing to crank to the moon. Nice job on that. To the upside. Somebody's mic's open. Can you somebody grab that, moderators, please? I can hear it. Thank you. TSM still watching that.
Coach, what do you think of NVFY right now? Just popped the 442 and on a dip right now.
I think if you're going to enter, wait for the new high a day.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep.
Papa on CGC.
Thank you. Anybody still in that CGC?
Check out IBRX.
I am, coach.
Thank you. Yep, IBRX. Nice, looking good. It's looking real nice.
Coach, did you hear the news on Toyota?
Nope, tell me.
They're completely getting out of the EV market.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. That would be the biggest mistake they've ever made.
Including
The
the
stock
Prius.
has been going up 7 days straight.
Crazy.
The Prius too has got out.
No, they're
All
keeping
electric, everything. They're starting to move over to hydrogen.
Oh, right. Okay, yeah. They're trying to push that narrative. Okay, gotcha. All right, Apple here on a little bit of a bounce. 170.16. Apple still to the downside. 2-minute EWOs paying out big time over there. ACB, another pot stock moving up nicely. CGC still moving up. I'm going to scoop up some Apple puts here on this breathe back. Looking good. SPY crashing. SPY finally broke that pre-market setup, everybody. See it down there at 521.80? Starting to get a nice pull. Apple, new low a day. Apple flushing right out. Loving that. Keep going, Apple. Crash right out. Apple's still touching this 170. So 170 is support on Apple right now. See if it's got more to give. CGC continuing to climb here, starting to get momentum again to the upside. It fell flat for a second. Apple, I'm waiting for the bottom to fall out in that again. Anybody making money over there on Apple?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Here we go. I want to see Apple break 170. What's our next levels on that, David?
Previously, 169.71 played pretty decent.
169.71. Marking it now. Thank you, sir. So I want to get out early. So 169.80-ish. Thank you.
Coach, if other companies are getting out of the electric vehicle market, that'd be good for Tesla, right?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, and I don't buy
Ford has dropped its pickup truck too, by the way, the electric pickup truck.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's great news for Rivian too, because Rivian's going to destroy Ford soon. You guys better watch out for that. Rivian gets their shit together, which is going to completely open the doors now that Tesla's opened up their network to them. Rivian's going to be a force.
Yeah, I would just urge that people look at the news with Toyota. I don't think it's that they're getting out of the EV market.
Yeah, they're just going to be promoting
more nuance than that. It's about lowering production in China for the time being. So look into that.
All right, thank you. All right, so Apple, again, we're still waiting for it to break this 170. 170 is a big area for Apple here. I got greedy. I could have took 1,000 down there on the run. I'm like, nah, it's got more. We'll see what it wants to do. I'm actually going to add in some here on this breathe back on Apple for puts. Still to the downside, still below VWAP. 170 is support on Apple. SPY just crashing all the way out. Who got on those SPY scalps below 521.80? That was pre-market. Who got in there?
I did.
Nice.
I did.
Good job.
I did, Coach.
Good job. CGC, new high a day. CGC, new high a day if you're in that. Again, don't forget, use the code Easter500 today to take the 500 off your first year of VIP, VIP Gold, or the VIP Complete package with everything. Also, right now, VIP lifetime memberships, $4,500 today. Get it right now. Thank you. Thank you. SPY still down here, really low. NVIDIA pulled back. Q's pulling back up there on resistance. I think the Apple just looks tired over here. Looks very tired. All right, let's see if I can find something else. mRNO's crashing out.
Amazon new low day.
Thank you. MTNB for small accounts. MTNB moving up. MTNB moving to the upside. MTNB. That is Matinas Biofarm moving up. Super small micro penny stock. Has tons of shares though. Tons of shares. So don't expect, monster move. But we'll see. They must have had big news to move something that big. Must have been monster news.
Google New High.
Thank you. Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
I hope they can hear me. I'm talking to my phone. Channel trading. Don't ignore NVFY. I've been playing that since pre-market.
Okay.
I'm now at $1,470 on channel trading.
Oh, nice, nice. Thank you. Looks like it's about to crash right here. Be careful, Mark.
Oh, wow.
Yep,
I'm
there it goes. There it goes. Look at that crash. Look at that crash.
Come down to support.
Yep,
Ride
yep.
it again.
Yep. Support's at 380 right now. Nice job. CGC is up 17.5%. SNDL, also a pot stock's up 6%. Looking good. DWAC back here up on VWAP. I wouldn't touch this thing though for a while. I'd wait for the break of 44.50 before I'd be looking at DWAC again. Apple here, let's see if this is going to pull now. This is where Apple's starting to get a little heavy. I want to see what it wants to do. I am in puts. If it breaks and holds VWAP, of course, I'll get out for an L. Otherwise, I'm still in these right here. It is starting to get momentum back on its side for Apple. DWAC starting to get a small pop. SPY starting to get a pop here now. Found support around 521.42. Apple's getting a lot of volume in here. Not good for me on those puts. Not good for me on those puts. But overall trend is still to the downside. I just don't like it up here. Yeah, Apple's getting a big push from just nowhere.
Tesla is on a 2-minute EWO, coach.
Which side?
To the upside, sorry.
Thank you. It's still too close to VWAP. I wouldn't touch that for a bit. Hear me, partner?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's just been too choppy in here. Wait till, if you're going to do it, I'd wait for the break of that 168.32 where we had our pre-market set up. And then you could look at the 2-minute, okay? Apple's sitting here right on VWAP. Seeing some sellers in here, not a lot, but I'm still in those puts. As long as it stays, like I said, as long as it stays below VWAP, I'll be all right. If it breaks and holds above it, I will get out for an L. I won't sit in there and sweat that out. And then I'll just wait for it to break below again, and then I'll hammer more. Yeah, Tesla doesn't. That's a mess in here. I wouldn't touch that.
Coach, take a look at NVIDIA forming a double top.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, NVIDIA's strong over there. Yep. There goes Apple breaking through VWAP. I'm going to get out of that trade now. That's too long of a candle. Remember, sometimes you just got to rip that Band-Aid off, right? Not every trade will be successful. I held this pretty long in here. Took about a 4K hit on that, by the way.
TSM pulled back the VWAP and is now climbing back over to the upside.
Okay, thank you.
I made some chip change.
Thank you. NVIDIA up here on this double top. Around 921, has to break 921.
He is coming up to a triple top.
Yep, I see it. Tesla's still trying to fight to get through that 168.32. Nvidia's trying to break through here. Waiting to see if Nvidia can break through 921. Pull this up on the big screen. If it can, I'll enter calls. If not, it's puts right here on resistance. And when in doubt, straddle. Right? See what NVIDIA is going to do up here on this giant double top. Entering some puts here on the scalp. It already pulled back a little bit, so I might be late to the party on that. But puts on resistance, and if it flips, I'll change. There it goes. I'm positive. There it goes. That's a green trade. See if we can get some more out of it. Apple still staying above VWAP. Boy, NVIDIA's got a lot of push to the upside here. But I do show a wall at 921. A lot of buying support on NVIDIA. Boy, that's interesting where it's at right here. Something tells me this.
I'm trying to slip some walls in every 10 cents here.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to pop. Yeah, I think these puts are going to be really sketch right here on me. That is getting a massive push. Still holding those puts. There it goes. There's the flush. Okay. Whew. I was going to say that was a lot of buying pressure in there. Oh, look at that. Nope, that wasn't a good candle. That's a lot of buyers, man. You see that?
Did you get out on the bottom?
I didn't. Nope, I'm still
A lot of
holding.
movement into that candle.
Yeah, that was a big, giant push up.
It's like 920.60 is the next.
Yeah, this is crazy. NVIDIA is fighting over here. But the way it's staying up tall, man, a lot of buyers.
1 minute.
Uh-oh, 1 minute to shift change. 1 minute.
Useful.
One minute. Here we go. 1 minute. NVIDIA is either going to super pop or super drop in exactly 35 seconds. I'm still in these puts.
Coach CGC is breaking out of the consolidation to the upside.
Okay, thank you. Here we go. 20 seconds. Excuse me. 20 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 20 seconds.
Useful.
Thank you. So is SPY. So is Apple. Come on, NVIDIA. Go ahead and follow with them. Get ready. 3
Nice big
seconds.
candle to the upside on Netflix, Coach.
2
Second
seconds. 1 second. Go. Shift change. Here we go. Higher amounts of volume is going to pour into everything now.
Buyers coming in on NVIDIA.
Yep, I see it. It's going to rip my face clean off. I got to get out of there. Yep, here comes massive buying volume. Yep. It's taken off. Should have took that little quick buy on it. It's all right. Now it's to the upside. See if it can stay up here. A lot of dancing going on with NVIDIA over here.
You're getting a lot of green across the board there, Coach.
Yep.
Apple trying to find support on VWAP.
Thank you. Yeah, I can't touch NVIDIA the way it's just sitting here. This is a retest. That should have had more momentum right here to keep driving to the upside. This has got to get momentum now on NVIDIA. Otherwise, it'll show a sign of weakness and people will sell it.
Q's also finding support on VWAP.
Thank you.
Go ahead. $9.22 wall.
Apple finding help right there, support. There we go. There goes NVIDIA. That's what I wanted. There we go.
All big 7 are on the green side right now.
Yep. I'm up 1,000 on that trade now. I just had to flip the script.
Switching gears.
Yep, you have to, right? You mean you got to go with what it's going to show you. Yep.
You're going to believe your gut or your own damn eyes.
Exactly. Yeah, and it's tough because as humans we're like, well, I don't want to take the hit. Bullshit.
925, big point of resistance though.
925. Okay, thank you.
So you sold the put and then bought a call?
That's correct. I took a loss on the put when it popped, and now I'm on the winning side for the long. So basically right now it's almost evened out. I'm making a little bit more on the call than I lost on the put, but
Is that because you increased the amount of options you bought or calls?
no,
Versus how many had puts?
no, it's because of the way the gamma went. Because it went right. I lost more money because the candle popped so fast.
Gotcha.
So you can see right here, this is my calls trade. See it? Still in these. I like it above this 921. As long as it can stay above this 921, this is a great trade on NVIDIA, up 1%. The nice thing is because it held up on 921, it has to stay above that. No, I'm being greedy. I could take the $1,000, but I like it above this 921 level. Because I don't show resistance. And 924 is resistance right here. So this breaks 924. We're going to get a nice pop on NVIDIA.
That's not a lot of resistance there, Coach.
Not at all. Yeah, not at all. That's why I'm still in this trade.
924.50 now.
Yep. That's good. It's moving.
Q said positive EWO.
Yep, good.
Big buyers on NVIDIA.
Yep, looking good. Yeah, look at NVIDIA's just making nice moves here now.
925, there's about 48,000 waiting for it.
At 925, okay, thank you. Yeah, so I'm going to skim half here. You guys are watching my live trade right now, right? Okay, good. Did you guys see me take half right there?
We're on Robinhood.
Yep, that's what you should be seeing. Did you see me take half?
Oh, shoot, I drew it though.
Yes, sir.
A lot of that resistance went away, Coach.
I saw it. But I don't like the way it's getting shoved down here. We'll see what it wants to do. Still holding 5 contracts on it.
Still buyers outnumbering sellers like 5 to 1.
Yeah, 923.60. I can see some buyers in there. Oh yeah, big buyer came in at 924.50. Still holding 5 contracts. You guys are still watching my Robinhood. I'm just doing that so you guys can see how I do it, when I do it, and why I do it.
Next up, 926, Coach.
Thank you. Looking good. Nice, nice. I'm going to take...
Right through that, 927. Oh.
Thank you. I'm going to take 2 more here. Now only holding 3 contracts. Do you guys see how I'm doing this? 50, 20, 20, 10, right, everybody?
Yes, sir. Watching.
Yellow on the upside. Yellow.
Thank you.
DWAC is flying.
DWAC is now moving to the upside. Okay, thank you. Yeah, oh yeah, DWAC is, whoa, that's massive liftoff. Holy crap. That's off of news
Any
then.
news?
Yeah, there's got to be news.
I bet you Trump got his bond.
Oh, if he did, DWAC will we'll go through. Yeah, astronomical. Somebody find out.
I'm looking it up.
Thank you. That's going to be massive if that's the case. NVIDIA still holding those 3 contracts. So far, we've made about $2,000 on the trade. Oh, nice pop. Look at that.
He has 500 million in cash, undercutting the lawyer's claims on bond money.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. All right, NVIDIA, I'm taking 2 more. Everybody see it? That leaves me with 1 left.
Good job, sir. Nice trade.
Yep, yep. And now what I'll do is I'll just flip back. And now I can let that thing go till the cows come home, right? Because it's only
you're going to go over 930 at this coach. This rate. The buyers are just really coming in.
Right, right.
I like the Robinhood platform. It seems pretty quick, but it just the news is always scaring me away from it.
Yeah, it's a mess. It's an absolute disaster. I make it look easy because I've been using Robinhood as well since it came out, but it's an absolute shit show. It's the worst ever for scalping, especially options. It's absolute dog shit.
But you use it. I love you.
That's because I get bored. I
Yeah,
bounce
you
all
need some
over.
excitement. I get it. Yeah, you need some excitement.
Yep, yep. I bounce all over, man. I just get bored out of my brain. Okay, so right here, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Notice I've been collecting all the way up, right? Let me show you guys something. So on this pullback, this would have took a lot of money if I would have been still heavy in there, right? But look at this. Because I have 1 left, it's not doing shit. You see it?
Yes, sir.
If I would have been...
You started at 10?
Yeah, I started with 10, yep. If I would have been 10 heavy on this pullback, right? And then it decided to just drop, all that money gone. Because the gamma would crush its soul. So now because I only have 1... right? Even if this knife dropped, it doesn't do anything. I've already collected all the money on the trade, right? I've already made over $2 grand on the trade. Now, if a knife drops, hell, if this went to minus 100, so what? You see what I'm saying? It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt me anymore. I've made all the money. Think about it. I've made enough money for this trade. I could literally, if I wanted to, hold this trade until next Friday on my expiration because this is a free trade. This entire trade is free. This $2,578 was free. I've almost already made that. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir, it does.
So now, because I only have 1 and I'm not sweating anymore and this thing's like barely moving, I could let this work all sorts of magic. I can re-add in as it climbs. I can pull out if it drops. But I have nothing but time now, and time is everything. So now we just let it work. Going back here to Weibo. I'll let you guys know when I sell it, just so you guys know how it went.
Hey, Coach, what was the expiration that you used on that?
For next Friday.
Okay. Good.
Yep. Yeah, I never do same day. Yeah, I never do same day.
But I just wanted people to know that.
Yeah, I never do. It's just no thanks. Because right as soon as we hit lunchtime, man, it just starts taking all your money.
Exactly.
Yep. I'll let you guys know when I sell it though. I'm just gonna ride this for a while. I have basically until about 9:21 down here. Maybe a little sooner. Probably 9:22 is probably the lowest I can let it go before I'll lose money. I won't let it turn into a losing trade, but I will let it work. I will let this work all day in here. So what I'll do on my screen is I mark this in red. This is my absolute cutoff, mental cutoff right here. Everybody see it? That tells me if I ever come back and I flip to this and I see it down there, I'll just get out. Now, if this drives,
Just put a stop in.
well, that's the problem with Robinhood. The stops don't work at all. Contract
Coach,
stops.
they just added a new feature on Robinhood called stop on the options side.
Well, the only thing I see is a stop limit order, and that won't work. But I do see, I mean, that's always been there. I'm not sure what other option they added, but. So right here, if this breaks 926, I'll add. I'll add to the exact same setup I had on this upside of 926. Because now I've got the one inside of here. I'm channel trading inside of what I've already got. If this goes to the upside, remember, we can add if it's going in our favor, right? Everybody, you with me on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, coach.
Right
Momentum
here,
trading.
right here, I'm adding 5.
Ace 170. Let's break it.
Showing you my screen.
928. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yep. Let's go, go, go. You guys can see my
Tesla
screen.
broke pre-market highs.
Did you guys see that? I just made an additional $300 by adding those contracts above 926 and went right back to my original 1. 2. Do you guys see it?
Yep.
Added in, scooped up another $400 on the break of 926, still holding now 2 contracts. So I added in on the way up, scalped them back off the table, and now waiting for the break again. Breaks again, I'll get rid of 1, and then we'll be back to our 1 again.
15,000 waiting at 928. Coach.
Thank you. I'm going to sell 1 here just to lighten the load. Sold. Still holding 1, flipping my screen. Still holding 1 contract now. Everybody see it? And I have been working these. Yeah, baby. You bet your ass. Same drill. This breaks up here around this 927. I'll add in. There it goes. Adding now. There it goes.
Nice.
Look at that pop.
30 is the big resistance now, coach.
Thank you. Thank you. Taking 4 more off the table. Done. Do you guys see how I did that? 1 left. Yeah, baby. Who's your daddy? You guys watching this in real time, right?
Yeah, thanks, Coach.
Yep.
I was able to finally get
928 is important now, coach.
Thank you.
You are recording, right?
Nope.
Recording in progress.
That would have been something, though, wouldn't it? I've had so many technical issues this morning. I'm surprised we're even on here. I'll be honest with you. It was such a crap show this morning.
So good, Coach.
Thank you, guys. Sorry about that.
98,000 at 930, coach.
Thank you. Still holding 1 contract. It's only up 5%, but I've got a lot of room here. So you guys can see on my Robinhood, I'm literally just watching this right here. See it? I'm still up on the trade. Now this right here, this 927.50 is actually a good scoop area. See that 927.50? Yep. I'm going to try to add here. Nope. Got to wait. Don't like that candle. Nope. Nope. And I'm going to sell this last one. Shoot, wrong button. There we go. Missed the order. Replace. Continue.
New floor.
Oh, whew. All right. I'm getting out.
First red EWO candle.
And I'm out. I'm out of the trade. So everybody, we traded it all the way through this. We started with 10. Then we sold all the way up, right? The whole time we sold 5, 2, 2, and then I believe 1. We re-added, sold it when it popped, re-added, sold it when it popped, and just now sold that very last one for break even. And that's how I trade it.
You know, Coach, I learn a lot when you're trading right here because I see how you're doing it, and it helps me.
Good, man. I'm glad.
Yeah, I agree with that.
I know I got to flip all these screens and all this other crap, but that's... Now, the good thing is that offset that major L I took earlier big time. I'm still down 3 in the hole, though. So I wound up getting $3,500 out of that trade. So not a bad trade, right? Xavier, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, just wanted to call out that I made $516 on views on the way up.
Oh, nice job. Good job, Xavier.
I made 160 on that NVIDIA move.
Oh, good job. Nice. Turk, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
I do. Thanks, Coach. I just want to say that, you know, when you did that Apple trade and you lost, I think it's at $4,000.
Yep.
I was just thinking, because in the pre-market, I guess when we had computer problems, we were talking about our emotions when we lose, like when, you know, Nate had that loss, the $400, whatever, $200, $300 or $400 loss yesterday. He did that noise. And like, I just know, and other people spoke up about like hitting the table and their wives hearing or their husbands hearing and like banging the tables. And you were cool as a cucumber. And I don't know if that's something that you acquired over time or just you grew up having that lack of, not lack of emotion or just controlling that emotion. Because for me, that's the hardest part. For me, it doesn't seem to be the money. I could lose $1 and I'll get pissed off.
Yeah.
Because it didn't go, I wasn't right, and I want to be right all the time, and that's what gets me more upset than the losing of money.
Absolutely, and that's human nature too, right? But this is why I said we have to trade robotically. By the way, I'm in another trade. While we're talking, I'll walk you through it. We have to trade robotically, right? You have to condition your mind to be able to, just like I'm trading while we're training. You have to be able to condition your mind to just make these trades. It doesn't matter what's going on in the world. It doesn't matter how your day was. It doesn't matter that I haven't slept, I think, in 4 months. None of that shit matters. Like I said, when you come in here, did you guys see, by the way, I just scalped that for $250 while we were talking. None of that matters. What matters is when you come in here, this should be robotic. You got to make the trades you're supposed to make. You take the L, it's okay. You take it on the chin, right? Like a big boy or a big girl. That's it. Doesn't matter. You just keep moving. You don't stop. This is the problem too with brand new traders. When you have a bad day or a really bad day, you bring it into every trade and every day. And as soon as you start doing that, then you become an emotional trader, right? And that's when the problem comes in.
Trading.
Yes.
That's part of my flaw. Like, I'm gonna beat you. You know, you got me this time, but I'm gonna go after you now.
Right. So like right here, you guys can see, I mean, this was way down, right? This was $4,800 down. So what do? I'm just gonna work my way out. Right? I'm just gonna trade and trade and trade and do what I'm supposed to do. Not worry about this. This isn't a thing like right here, right? I'm looking at re-entering again. Notice it keeps wicking up here to the top. This is where I'm going to keep selling until it eventually pops. This is the channel down here. This is the bottom. This is the top, right? But you trade the trades. Nothing should stop. I don't care if you won or you lost. You should have no feeling. And this is why I said, if you guys start to have feelings, you're trading too big, right? Look at this thing. Look at this.
Big pop, Coach.
Yeah, this would have been a nice buy again, but I'm not set up for it.
Hey, Coach. Sorry to interrupt. For that guy that always want to be right. If you read the ebook that Coach have on the ebook part, the 25 rules, Doc in there explained that 33% of his trade are negative, 33 are scratch, and 33% are positive.
Look.
So you're not always
Oh
gonna
my.
be right. So you just need to
Oh
cut
my.
your losses fast.
932, Coach.
Yeah, I saw that. Holy crap.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. So yeah, it's just the psychology part.
Yeah, just improve your ratios.
Yep.
And mitigate your losses.
That's correct. Just tighten it up, man. Just you just got to continue to work on the process. So
and we said it before, Coach, congratulate yourself when you get out of a bad trade.
That's right.
We should be just excited about getting out of a bad trade.
That's right.
As we just score a big one.
That's right. And the other thing that helps too, right? Not only that I've been trading for a long time, guys, I have worked myself out of like $120,000 hole in the day. $120,000 holes, right? So, and again, though, it comes from, I just don't get emotional. I don't give a shit. You realize, and I know everybody gets super excited and crazy and ridiculous, and I know it's going to sound stupid. I don't think I would get excited. Hold on, let me kill these mics. I don't think I would get excited unless I had over $1 million in a day. Because I've had tons of 150, almost $200,000 days. So I don't even think I would be, I don't know. I just don't think it would, I don't know. It's not the same, right? You just get so used to just being a professional trader that I don't get that. I don't get the back sweat and the hair standing up on my neck and the things. I try to get hyped in here so it gets everybody else hyped. You guys will see me when I get over animated. I'm trying to do that to build our team up and to get you guys hyped, but I can promise you inside of my brain, if it's not $1 million or more, I'm not even going to get geeked up about it. I can promise you that. It's because I am a robotic trader. I trade the trades, and every trade is a new trade. Reset, go again. That's it.
Was that something that you inherently just have as a human, or you were not like that when you first started trading?
No, it's from over time. It's from over time. And in the beginning, you get it just like you guys. You'll get excited over, making a couple bucks, and you're like, yeah. No, it's an overtime situation. Listen, 32 years of doing this. It's just another day in the office for me, right? It's just another trade.
Yeah, I was about to say, Coach, you're from Michigan. Give me a break. You were probably slamming stuff at first.
I don't know. I never had that. I don't get it. Remember though, that patience came from coaching sports and athletes and kids, and you can't do all that shit, right? That's for a bunch of babies. Nope, not breaking shit. I wasn't that kid where when you didn't do good in a video game, you're chucking your controllers and dumb shit. That's not me. I don't have.
Coach, I challenge you to post on Discord a picture of you with a mullet.
Oh, I've already posted all those. I've posted plenty of those.
I gotta go look for those.
Yeah, I posted those. Hell yeah, Daddy had a sweet mullet. What you talking about? My freshman year at Flint Beecher, I won the high school haircut of the year award, baby. I had spiked hair on the top and a freaking mullet in the back. Daddy was rocking that shit. Yup. You bet your ass.
Did you look like Joe Dirt?
Joe Dirte? No, dude, I look good. I'm not lying. I made that shit look good. It was very nice. But anyways.
That sounds like something Joe Dirt would say.
Yes, it was. It was awesome. Well, it was really Joe Dirte. Considering our football field and our track was dirt, I guess you could say it was. Yeah. We had a dirt track. You guys ever heard of that shit? Yep.
Hell yeah.
It was awesome. We got to watch all the little rich kids, though, have like baseball, soccer, swimming, tennis. You want to play basketball, football, or track? Pick one, Christian, and go. That's it. It's all you get. Get your ass in there, boy. You want to wrestle? Wrestle, football, track, basketball. There you go. That's it. Now you sit your ass down over there. Get ready to go in.
And you want a basketball net? Okay, we'll put a chain on it.
Yeah, every day. What do you guys want to do? Basketball. What do you want to do tomorrow? Basketball. What about free time? Basketball. Hey, what do you guys? Basketball. That's it. There you go. You want to know why I can dunk on your face? All I did was played basketball. I'm not going to lie. This white boy can ball. I'm not even tripping. I can play a lot of basketball. That's all we did. That's all we did, man. We used to run full court. I love basketball. I love basketball. Love it.
Coach, you ever get that? You look like Larry Bird.
Larry Nerd. Yeah, Larry Nerd going for 3-point.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I just wanted to tell you thank you, man. You know, every day now, it's been a green day, you know, probably 2 months in a row now.
Wow.
Just unbelievable, man. You're just... Can I be your stepkid?
Absolutely. Hey, you're all underneath my protective wing, Hunter. I got you.
Dang, man. I mean, just awesome, man. Thank you so much for what you do every day, man. And
hell yeah.
You're just, man, I am so grateful for this, man. Thank you.
Absolutely. I appreciate you being here too. And thank you. Thank you, man. I love you guys. I absolutely, it's been my pleasure every day. I love it. I'm humbled. I'm grateful. Even on the days where I'm like, damn it, my stuff's not working. I want to show up for you. I want to be here for you guys, man. I love you guys. You guys are my family. I want to take care of you. I want to be here as much as I possibly can. I'm telling you right now, today was one of those days where I'm like, F it. I'm not turning nothing on. This is bullshit. Nothing's working. I'm like, I don't care. I tell you guys every day, right? You got to show up. This is my job. This is your job. When you're here, we show up, right? We just got to do it. I don't care what's going on, right? You can get your support lizard later. You can cry later. Right now, we got a job to do. And speaking of job to do right here, look at NVIDIA on this bounce of 925. But you just don't stop. Never give up, man. Never surrender. Name that movie. Go. Little movie trivia there for you.
Galaxy Quest.
Galaxy Quest. Very close. Vision Quest. There's a good one too, man. I haven't heard of that in a long time.
Well, it's also Winston Churchill.
There you go. NVIDIA. Nice. I couldn't tell. You got to remember, I got a 6th grade education, Ted. So I couldn't have told you any of that. All right, right here, NVIDIA. Look at that. This is what I would have been set up for. But look at 925 pop on NVIDIA. Look at that. Woo. Is that glorious or what?
Yep. And if you're in EWO, it's respecting the EMA cloud. You had nothing to worry about.
Yeah, that's nice. So nice. The homework. What was the homework for today? I got to make sure to post that. The Great Outdoors. Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
And Joe Dirt.
Yeah, we'll probably have to add that. All right. NVIDIA moving up nicely here. Come on, stay up there. I like this above this 927.61. I liked it up there. Stay up there. I am in this trade. Hold on. I just got in the damn thing. It was up $200 on this little pop. Still staying in here. You guys can see the trade on my Robinhood now. Watch this here. Seeing a lot of sellers. Where's this at? 928.50. So I'm going to have to watch it 928.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shave half just because of the way it's acting.
Coming in though, Coach.
Yeah. But it just keeps stalling here.
Still buyers outnumbering sellers.
Right. I'm just setting up for half. Right here, I'm going to sell half. Right there.
Still 29-ish.
Yep, still holding half if this fades. Yep, I don't like it here. I'm going to dump 3 more. All I'm doing is lighting my low, but I'm making money the whole way. Does everybody see how I'm doing this? Still holding 2. Let me mute that microphone. Still holding 2. Now, if this breathes back really heavy against me, it isn't going to hurt. And if it drives up above 928.50, I'll add. See this right here. Now look it, because I don't have that much, it doesn't hurt as bad. See it? And now I can stomach and weather through the storm, right?
Yes, sir.
And now if this pops 928.50, which it's trying to now, I'm going to add. I'm setting up for an add. So I've clicked 5 and I'm ready to click submit. If this breaks 928.50, I'll add more. And if not, I'll flip the script. I'll click go back, edit, sell the other 2, and it'll be a small loss. See how it's fading? 927 support. Super heavy. So right here, I'll go back. Yep, I'll go back, sell to close. 2. Whoops. Go to edit. I had too many. But I tell you, now it's on that 926. Now I made a mistake. Did you guys see how I put the wrong number in here? It was like 522 or some crap. That's the other thing you got to be careful of. Now I see a lot of sellers right here, but I tell you, I like the 926. I actually like this spot. But I don't like the L2 setup. But now think about this. Had I had the whole weight of 10, this would be down $1,100, right? So because I don't have crap in it anymore, and I collected all the way up, now it's basically a break-even trade, and now I have time to think of what do I want to do. Well, I know what I want to do. I want to actually add here. I'm going to add here. I like 926. I think it's a great spot on the bottom channel. Now you guys can see I'm positive. No panicking. Waiting for this break, this 928. Now look at it. It's got clear skies to 928 or 927.60. 927.60 is where we're looking. Notice
hey, Coach, I don't see your chart. I just see your profit and loss screen.
That's correct. That's what you should be seeing. Yep.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, you guys are watching real trades, real time with what's really going on with dollars and cents here. So
it looks like a point of consolidation here, Coach.
Yeah. The 926 is support.
Yep. Just between that band.
That's correct.
I can see it at least for a while.
Yep. Yeah, that's why I added here at 926. What do I got? 7. I could actually add 3 more on that 926.
Yeah, and just write it up and then rinse and repeat.
Yep. So you guys are watching me. I'm channel trading. This is all taught in my mastermind class, by the way. Yeah, right here, I'm going to add. That's that bottom 926. Same thing. I'm going to be set to sell if I need to here. This 925, right, is absolute rock bottom basement. Get the hell out of there setup.
Exactly.
Yep. But I'm still okay. I don't have a ton in here. Now, I could take a little bit of a bigger L on this one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up with 10. So now what I'm doing is I'm setting myself up. If I have to hit the oh shit button, I can get all the way out. But I still like it up here above 926. Still like it. And as soon as this pops, I'll dump half and we'll start the whole process over again. But every time it gets low, my hand is on the trigger to get out. If it pops, I start to unload. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, Coach.
BACK looking good for scalps.
Thank you. Still waiting here. Still waiting. What time is it? 10:35. Okay. Still waiting. Remember, 10:25 will be my absolute mental get out. I could take an L at 9:25. I'm going to set up for a sell order in case I have to click the panic button. Because this is calculating in here. See the limit price? See it changing? 925 is my oh crap panic button, remember?
Yes, sir.
It's about 50-cent move in here. Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Oh, I didn't want to interrupt your trade there, Coach.
No, no,
Yeah,
no.
I'm out and about. I'm on my phone appointments. I figure, well, I'm sitting in the lobby. I'm going to do trade, and I've been doing that channel trade. I made over, I don't know, over 11, 1200, something like that, sitting in the lobbies waiting.
Nice.
So, and I've never executed a brand new trade on my phone before in Weeble. I've gotten out of them on my phone.
That's
This
awesome.
is the first time. Now that I learned this week that the turbo buttons are also on the Weeble and how to find it, and I got that all set up. So that's good. That's approved mechanics now, and afraid it works great.
That's
I
awesome.
had a very profitable week this week. I'm up over $7,500 for the week on my small account.
Nice job. Now, Mark,
So,
before you joined American Dream Trading, did you ever think you'd be able to do that in a week?
I've had bigger weeks, but those were one-offs, right?
Right,
I'm getting
right.
more consistent now. So
Yeah.
that's the thing. Actually, hearing what you are saying. You say, listen to the sound of your voice, but you also must hear what you are saying.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you can you can hear me say it 100 times, but until you're really ready to absorb it, it doesn't mean anything, right?
Yeah, it only took me about the first 10 months. I mean, I was doing very well. I had a very good year last year, but now I think this year is going to be better. So
yeah, that's awesome.
And,
good for you.
pay attention, follow the rules, get in and get out when you need to.
Absolutely. And
Don't
how many years did you trade before you came over here?
None.
There you go. Did everybody hear that? Now Mark is a moderator. Mark made $7,500 this week. Mark's in our pre-market every day in the VIP. Mark had zero experience before he came here, and look at what he's doing now.
All because of the guy I pay to teach. One of the best things that ever came in my life, Coach, is you.
Appreciate you, man. It's all because you took the knowledge, though. Again, right? You could have paid the courses. You could have bought the stuff. You could have did the things and then not did anything I said and still be wondering, why am I losing every day? Instead, though, you flipped it on its head. You did exactly what you needed to do. You followed the rules. You're in here. You're diligent. And now you're a damn moderator helping other people be successful. That is a success story.
And I've also purchased every single membership level that you've offered, and every one of them is paid off incrementally.
Appreciate
From a
it.
lifetime, learned a lot. Went to the VIP, learned even more. Went to the VIP Gold, learned a lot. I bought every one of them. It was every dime it was money well spent.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
So get them if they're on sale, dog. What are you waiting on?
Yeah, it's kind of
All
sad.
right, I gotta go.
All right, brother.
I gotta leave. I got done with my office. I'm out for the rest of the day. I got a little bit more running around to do. But
All right. Take care,
Well,
brother.
have a great weekend, boss.
All right, you too, man. Thank you again for everything, Mark. You're awesome. Now look at this trade, everybody. I was down 1,000 at 925. Does everybody see this? This was down 1,000. It never broke my 925, and here we are about to break even again. Does everybody see this trade? Sat in here this whole time, but you got to let it work, right? And I have my mental cutoff, right, which was 925 as support. Still staying up here, and we're making the move. Corbin, go ahead.
Hey, boss. Let me know if you think I'm breaking one of your rules.
Yep.
You say to never add to a losing trade.
Correct.
But when I'm getting into an EWO or any trade, really, that buffer that I'm willing to lose, that 20 to 40%, say on an EWO play, if it is going down that way, but it's coming to a good support line, and I add in there it's worked for me a few times, but are you considering that breaking a rule? Because I'm adding to something that's red.
Yeah, it's different if it's a breathe back, but if you're just bleeding out and you're adding to the red, yeah, you don't want to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely not. Yep.
That's pretty obvious. My wife was watching me trade the other day, and she's like, "You're not supposed to add when you're down." I'm like, "But there's support right here. This is perfect," and it worked out.
Yeah, that's awesome.
No wives in the trading room. No wives in the trading room.
That is awesome.
No,
man.
it's great, man. She's so smart.
Yeah, that's
She's gonna
great.
start trading here soon too.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love that. I love it when family gets involved, man. That's beautiful. Oh, hold on a sec. I might have to dump this trade. Yeah, that's beautiful,
Thank you,
brother.
Coach.
Yeah. I love that, man.
She's gonna be better than me. I guarantee it.
Oh yeah, I wish my wife. She just doesn't care. She don't like this shit. Oh, hold on. Now right here, this 925. If this pulls, I'm out. Even though I almost broke even again up here, I don't care.
Oh, you got buyers coming in. Oh,
Yep.
it's battle right there.
Yep. I'm selling them. There it goes. I took an L on that, obviously. Let's see what kind of van damage I took. Yeah, about $1,600 I think I took on that. Down 4,200 for the day. And here's the thing with this one. So right here, it pulled all the way back. It came all the way up here to almost break even, right? And in my mind, I was like, oh, I could just sell and get out. I don't want to do that. I'd rather this work and became a nice trade than worry about it, because I was already willing to come down to here with my cutoff. So this to me was my trade in my head, right? So I was okay with anything inside of here. But again, as soon as it broke the level, you guys know the rule. Get the hell out. I don't care how bad it hurts. I don't care what it looks like. I don't care if you want to go cry to your mama. You get out. You're done. The mental break. It doesn't matter. Take the L, move on, look for the next trade. Make sense?
For smaller accounts, the back is moving up. It's up 138% right now.
BAC?
BACK.
Back? Baby's got back?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now look at NVIDIA bounced on VWAP. Everybody see the bounce on VWAP? That's a nice move. Oh, you know what? Here's something I didn't even look at when I was doing all this. Now let me show you guys something. Let me just show you something. Completely forgot about this. Does everybody see our 2-minute EWO indicators that you get, by the way, with your VIP membership?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at, Coach.
This was telling me I shouldn't be in this trade anymore. See this spot? So here's the bottom. Everybody see it? Yep.
Yes,
This should have been puts to here. Or VWAP, of course. Always off VWAP, right? Because then if it breaks VWAP, you're going to here. If it doesn't, it bounces and comes right back up to here again. Son of a... You know what? I need to sign up for that VIP membership. What's the code? Does anybody have that discount code? I need to get that ASAP so I don't make that mistake
It's
again.
Easter 500. Coach.
Easter 500. And do I put that in at time that I buy it, or do I do it after?
Let's get apply button.
Okay. Oh, you put it in and then click apply and it takes 500 off immediately. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to use that code right now. Thank you. Yep. That's genius. Oh my gosh. 500 off. Wow. Let's do
Just
that.
signed up for it.
Oh, very
If you
nice.
guys do, I'll pay for the shipping and handling.
There you go.
BACK coach, what do you think? That's pretty impressive.
Hey, Coach, should they do this before midnight tonight?
Well, actually, they're okay because actually they're okay because I have it set until I think Easter Sunday. So
Okay, there you go.
yeah. BACK. I'm showing a wall at 368. BACK is not a. Oh, there it is. Yeah, 368. Hold on. It's getting bought out pretty quick. Was there news on BACK? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? Anybody? Anybody got news on BACK? No? Okay.
Baby got it.
Nobody knows. Nobody cares. Okay. I'm adding position in here, BACK. Oh, that was up $700 and I missed the sell button. Are you serious? BACK. BACK.
Hey, Coach, take a look at SPY on a triple bottom.
Thank you.
New
Hold on.
low.
Hold on. I'm buying more into BACK. That looks beautiful up here, up this top. BACK. See if we can get a nice little pop out of here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. 370.
Yes, Daddy.
This is a big spot for it. Yeah, look at this. Go, baby, go. BACK. I might have bought a lot of shares on that, maybe. BACK. You guys can see my screen now. Come on. BACK. Everybody see it? Yeah, you did. Lots of momentum in here. 16.6 million volume. I am being a greedy pig right here. It's because I don't show any walls unless somebody comes in and dumps a load. Because at 390, that's nothing. Same with 4.
I just checked on the coach. I got nothing in the
I just
news.
noticed it climbing up.
Oh, that was a lot of conversation at the same time. Nothing in
Sorry,
the
Coach.
No, that's okay. Nothing in the news.
Nothing in the news.
That is weird. Checking Benzinga. Hold on. Anybody got any news on this thing? Check Twitter. Check FinTwits. Check it all. There's got to be something on BACK. We're missing something here, ladies and gentlemen. BACK. Thursday. No, I show nothing either. I don't know what's driving this. What is driving this? Anybody? All right, go into Twitter. Let me know when you know. BACK. It's going to... Latest. Nothing. What's this? Nothing. Anybody? Bueller? Anybody? BACK? I don't know what is going on with this. I have no idea.
There's nothing in X.com, and the only thing I can see is some bots identified parabolic movement. And people were
All old news.
Gotcha. Okay.
Nothing news.
Gotcha. Okay. Thank you. All I see is less than 1 million free float, massive volume. Its average volume is less than 500K, and today it's over 17 million.
Yeah, the bulk of the comments are just that, talking about the low float and the squeeze.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I wonder if this is a short squeeze. Let me look. Hold on.
Yeah, options Friday.
It looks like 3 or 4 different groups just tried to squeeze it.
Yeah, there's no options for this. I mean, that's why it's running so much too, but yeah.
Okay.
I'm wondering if this is a short squeeze. I got a calculator somewhere in here, but I don't, I'm in this trade, so I can't even pull it. You get a break of 4 and this thing is gone. Look at all those sellers stacking up. You see that? holding over 7,000 shares on this. BACK. This thing could be a massive pop. Put your stops in. Highly volatile. %185%. This thing is on everyone's radar. Big pullback. Still holding.
Full type trading.
Still holding these. This is staying up nice and tall. I see it stair stepping down right here. This is staying up so tall for how much it's already popped. I would have anticipated a nasty knife drop in here and then a bounce. And because it didn't and it stayed up tall, bullish. Now, of course, it just takes somebody like me to click sell and it will tank this thing, but right. Oh, yeah. Add some here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is BACK. What time is it? 10:52. Damn, it's getting late. While we're sitting on this trade, don't forget, use the code Easter500. You'll get 500 off VIP, VIP Gold, VIP Complete. Or if you guys want right now, you can get a VIP Lifetime for $4,500 today only on that one. That's the VIP Lifetime, $4,500 today. Still waiting on BACK, 10:52. While we're doing this, I'm going to start wrapping up. Still in the trade, though, just to let you guys know. I want to say thank you to my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Today will be Lee's last day as a moderator. Thank you again, Lee, for all the news and information you've given us. Take care of that wonderful family you have and yourself. We love you, brother. Thank you again to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We thank you and appreciate and honor you every single day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Right on cue, baby.
Hell yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm still in this. You got it. I'm still in this trade. I'm going to stick around on this for a little bit. I still like it in this area. This just looks like a normal breathe back. To me, it did not knife drop and get stuck down there and then stair step down. The way that this just barely trickled down, very bullish. Just saying. It's just what I see. But again, if you guys get into any of these types of risky trades, please use your stops on each and every trade. Do not get your faces ripped off. Did we get any new VIPs, VIP Lifetimes, VIP Gold members, anything like that today, moderators?
No, Coach.
Moderators?
I think somebody signed up. Somebody said they signed up.
I signed up. This is Mark, OC.
Yep,
I signed up about an hour ago.
Thank you, thank you. Here, I'll look. Let's see. Yeah, we got, yep, Mark. Mass Dummer. I'm not sure what that name is. Utah Trader. And that's it. That's all we got today. All right, good deal. All right.
We also got a yearly, Coach.
Oh, did we? Okay,
A
thank you.
yearly VIP. Yep, Austin.
Austin. Okay, thank you. Nice job.
NVIDIA had that VWAP bounce. I don't know if you saw it.
Nope. Okay. Yep. Yeah, we saw it. Yep. Thank you.
Double top almost.
Yep. Here's your BACK all the way back again. Looking nice. We'll see if that can stay up there. All right, everybody. That's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. Don't forget, there is no stock market on Friday. No stock market. That's that knife drop that I didn't want to see. No stock market on Friday. Everybody be cool. Love your faces. I'll see you guys all again on Monday. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate all of you.
Later, Coach. Have a good
Thank
week.
you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it. Thank you, guys. Appreciate all of you. Thank you, moderators. Thank you, Easter
Thank you,
Bunny.
Coach.
Don't forget homework.
Coach. Have a good weekend.
Homework,
See ya.
Dawn. Dawn, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
It's
Great outdoors. I never saw the whole thing. I can't wait.
Okay, good.
Did you guys mean no stock market on Monday, you mean? Next Monday?
No, next Friday. Good Friday.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep. All right, guys, I'm out. See ya.
Thanks, sir.
You got
Have a
it.
good one.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.